Hi, I'm Simon from Motodrome, and this is our 2003 G4 Challenge Discovery, a genuine factory car. Hope you like it. Okay, quick video of startup and idling on this Discovery. Warning lights all come up as they should. And everything just goes out exactly as it should. So there we have it. And we'll take a look under the bonnet. Okay, here we are under the bonnet of this Discovery. That's around the bonnet stay. All doing, all looking, all sounding exactly as it should. Right, next up we have driving. Okay, here we are out in this genuine Discovery G4 Challenge, one of the 62 cars built by the factory for the 2003 G4 Challenge. And I have to say, it's a real pleasure to be driving a V8 petrol Discovery, because they're really rare in the UK actually at this age. So much nicer than the TD5 versions. Obviously the fuel consumption's a little bit heavier, but just nice, just really nice. This one's showing 95,000 miles. We're just waiting for the history to arrive, so before we can say whether that's right, wrong, or whatever. But it's just come out of a very intensive program of refurbishment, and it drives absolutely beautifully. The roads around here are so potholed, something like this just dives through them. It will have seen worse in its life, shall we say. We suspect this one either went to South Africa or Australia with the G4 Challenge, so it will have seen nastier surfaces than we have here in the UK. But yeah, just powers along really, really nicely. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. The temperature gauge is sitting dead on the halfway spot. And it's just performing exactly the way it should. Gearbox, it's automatic box on this one, switchable auto, changes gear as it should. It goes up and down without any jerkiness or anything like that. And if I let my foot off the throttle sharply, there's no backlash in the transmission, anything like that. I'm not having to fight it down the road, it's going exactly where it's placed. Not having to do all this to keep it going in a straight line. And it's riding very, very well, no funny noises, nothing like that. Let's see if the cruise control still works. Turn the master switch on. I bet it doesn't, but you never know. Do you know what? It does. Yep. Cruise control is functioning. Not sure the aircon, all the display comes up and everything, but it doesn't feel particularly cold, in fairness. And I have got it down to 16 degrees. But it's got the original stereo system, which all still works. Kicks down well. But no, can't really fault it in terms of the way it drives. Very good indeed. Ignore my phone. go on to voicemail in a minute. Coming back into the 20 zone now, so we'll see what the brakes like. There's no one behind us. Stops really well. No pulsing through the pedal. Obviously this one's got ABS and everything. Just performing exactly as it should. So I think there we have it. Very, very good. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. Or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.